Worcester Bosch E9224 error code, overheat lockout. Welcome to BeFix, reliable, local, gas safe. In this video, we're looking at the Worcester Bosch E9224 error, an overheating fault that causes the boiler to lock out for safety. The E9224 error means the boiler's flow temperature has exceeded safe operating limits, usually around 100 degrees Celsius. The system shuts down instantly to prevent internal damage or boiling inside the heat exchanger. Causes: pump failure or airlock preventing circulation. Blocked or closed radiator valves restricting water movement. Limescale buildup in the heat exchanger. Faulty thermistor or overheating sensor. Or low system pressure, leading to dry fire conditions. What you can check. 1. Allow the boiler to cool down completely before doing anything. 2. Check the pressure gauge. It should be between 1 and 1.5 bar. 3. Make sure all radiators are open and heating circuits are flowing. 4. Reset the boiler and monitor it closely. If it overheats again quickly, switch it off and call a professional. When to call BeFix. An overheating boiler should always be checked by a gas-safe engineer. BeFix will inspect the pump, heat exchanger, and temperature sensors, clean out any sludge or scale, and test the safety thermostats. We'll also check for signs of dry firing or component stress, ensuring your boiler is operating safely and efficiently again. Don't risk running an overheating boiler. Call BeFix. Reliable, local, gas safe.